Hello, my lovely anatomists and physiologists. We are in the last of our chapter 10 videos. I'm like you, I thought I'd never get there, right? So, what we're talking about here in this last video, real quickly, is just that muscle fibers change with our activity and they change with time. And so, what we can see is that our muscle fibers will change based on activity. We see that increasing our activity will lead to hypertrophy. And this is the increase in our myofibrils. The myofibril, remember, is that cylindrical shaped structure inside the cell that's made of those thin and thick filaments organized in those sarcomere units. So this is our bundle of contractile proteins, our actin and our myosin. So the more we work our muscles, the more myofibrils we can build in those muscles. And so that's how we actually increase our muscle mass. The opposite of this is atrophy. So if you're not using the muscle, what you see happening is a decrease in the number of myofibrils. A decrease in the number of myofibrils. Now, if it's just a matter of like, boy, this summer I've spent all my time in front of the computer studying anatomy and physiology instead of doing my normal level of physical activity, you can just return that muscle to how it was before just by increasing your activities. If it goes on for an extended period of time, or if you have nerve damage, then some of that atrophy can become permanent. We will also see that the muscle fiber will change with time. So we have changes that happen with age. It's called sarcopenia. Now, this is happening less the more active you are, but it's still happening. So what we see is with increasing age, we start to actually get muscle fibers to die. And then they're replaced with connective tissue or adipose tissue. And obviously, these are not tissues that contract. These are not tissues that produce movement. These are not replacing the muscle fiber in the same way. So this is why as we get older, we are going to be compromising some of our strength and integrity of that muscle. All right, y'all, you made it to the end of chapter 10. Thank you so much. And as always, take care of yourselves and each other.